be viewed as an opportunity for growth. Today's tip is, as a leader, how do you handle conflict within your team? Handling conflict within a team requires a proactive, empathetic approach. Conflicts, if unresolved, can fester and lead to a toxic work environment. Start by addressing the issue as soon as it arises. Delaying only allows misunderstandings and resentment to grow. Listen to all parties involved without bias. Active listening is crucial. It shows that you value each person's perspective and are committed to finding a fair resolution. When facilitating the discussion, remain neutral and focus on the facts rather than emotions. Encourage the team members to express their concerns openly while maintaining respect for each other. Once all viewpoints have been heard, work collaboratively to identify common ground and potential solutions. An effective strategy is to reframe the conflict as a shared problem that the team needs to solve together. For example, if two team members are in conflict over resource allocation, shift the focus to how the team can best utilize available resources to achieve its goals. Implementing a solution should involve setting clear expectations and following up to ensure the issue is truly resolved. Document the agreed upon actions and timelines and check in with the involved parties periodically to gauge the effectiveness of the resolution. Additionally, conflict should be viewed as an opportunity for growth. Reflect on the root causes of the disagreement and consider what changes could prevent similar issues in the future. It's also essential to foster a team culture where conflict is seen as a natural part of collaboration and can be approached constructively rather than with fear or avoidance. By handling conflicts with transparency, fairness, and a focus on collaboration, you not only resolve the immediate issue but also strengthen team cohesion and trust in your leadership. So that was your leadership tip for today. Send me your questions and comments at Anuradha Koda on any of the social media platforms. Follow the links in my bio to get your copy of the book. Contact me for thought leadership training for your team. You may also take online courses from my e-learning website, manabilounge.com. Have a thoughtful day.